Not incident Malad is said to have taken place on 5/1/2023, 5/1/2023. And Malad, last instance Malad which she quotes is 24/4/2024. That goes on for 1 year and 3 months. And the FIR is lodged on 5/6/2024. That is after Malad almost 2 months Malad of the last Malad instance of the physical activity. That you Lordship would find Malad page 11. May I read Malad? अभियोजन. अभियोजन का प्रकरण संक्षेप में इस प्रकार है कि दिनांक 5/6/2024 को पीड़िता ने थाना गैरगंज में उपस्थित होकर इस आशय की लेखी आवेदन दिया कि वो बीकॉम प्रथम वर्ष की छात्रा है। उसने कक्षा 6वीं से कक्षा 12वीं तक ग्राम हरदौट में अपने मामा के यहाँ रहकर पढ़ाई करी। आरोपी विकास हरदौट का रहने वाला है। करीब 1.5 वर्ष से उसने बातचीत कर रहा है। वो उससे बोलने लगा कि उसे पसंद करता है, उससे ही शादी करेगा। फिर जनवरी 23 में जब घर पर कोई नहीं था तब आरोपी विकास उससे मिलने उसके मामा के घर आया। वहां उसके साथ जबरदस्ती गलत काम किया। उसने बोला कि तुम घबराओ मत, वो उससे ही शादी करेगा। फिर विकास ने शादी का झांसा देकर लगातार उसके साथ कई बार गलत काम किया। 12वीं के बाद वो आगे पढ़ाई के लिए भोपाल चले गई। वहां किराए का कमरा लेकर रह रही थी। वहां पर भी आरोपी कई बार उससे मिलने भोपाल आया, तब उसने उसके साथ गलत काम किया। फिर उसने विकास से शादी करने का कहा तो बोला कि वो हरिजन से शादी नहीं करेगा, जो उसे करना है वो कर ले। विकास ने उससे शादी करने के लिए मना कर दी। एंड देन Malad, after all this Malad which has been stated, she's Malad lodges an FIR Malad after months together, eventually Malad on 5/6/2024. Page 13, your Lordship may see Malad, these are all Malad the photographs Malad where they were in a relationship, is an admitted case of a relationship. Now I may just point out Malad 2 important things Malad. The charge sheet Malad points out a 6th Malad report card. 6th के report card में उनकी date of birth है 25/11/2006 Malad in the charge sheet. And if your Lordship may see Malad, I have filed Malad this IE on record. If your Lordship may have that IE for a moment Malad. Malad, application for taking documents in record if your Lordship would have.
IE number?
But this is Malad, IE number
19880.
19880. I'm grateful. Malad, may kindly see. First, your Lordship may see Malad. This is Malad, her mark sheet Malad. And your Lordship may see in the mark sheet, her date of birth is 25/11/2005. Then if your Lordship may just turn over to page 4, ये इनका आधार कार्ड है. This is also Malad 25/11/2005. Then your Lordship may again turn over at page 6. This is her Malad SBI bank account passbook Malad. This is all Malad which was Malad given by her while she was in a relationship with me. इसमें भी 25/11/2005. Page 6 Malad bottom Malad would see 25/11/2005. Everywhere Malad, in her report card also everywhere Malad, she was 25/11/2005.
मतलब कि मैं रिकॉर्ड एक में रिकॉर्ड है और मतलब इसका बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट
पूरा नहीं हुआ आपका।
Now if your Lordship may kindly see Malad, the statement of the prosecutrix as well, there also she says Malad, ये जो dates हैं FIR में नहीं है, ये dates ये 164 के बयान में कह रही है, कभी भोपाल में कभी बेगमगंज में निरंतर शारीरिक संबंध बनाए। 24/4/2024 को रात्रि 9:30 बजे विकास मुझे मिलने भोपाल में मेरे रूम पर आया। उसने मेरे साथ जबरदस्ती शारीरिक संबंध बनाए और मुझसे कहा कि मैं तुझसे शादी नहीं करूं। और इसके फिर 2 महीने बाद Malad वो FIR जून में करती। Now I'm just pointing out Malad, absolutely same Malad. Malads are already aware. Though charge sheet has been filed, investigation is complete. These are 2 recent Malad judgments of the Supreme Court. दोनों में minor थी. FIR quash करी Malad where it was the case Malad of false promise of marriage. Malads are aware. Malad में just point out एक paragraph 6 आप देख लें महेश्वर टिग्गा का, और 2024 में भी एकदम recent judgment आया सुप्रीम कोर्ट में. I'm just pointing out इसमें Malad the Supreme Court went on to quash the FIR. Malad Maheshwar Tigga, if your Lordship may see, para 6, we have considered, can Malad have that?
Yes.
We have considered the submissions on behalf of the parties. The prosecutrix in a deposition hitherto with regard to her age by first stating she was 16 years of age on the date of occurrence and then corrected herself to state that she was 13. उसमें 16-13 का आ रहा था. Though she alleged that appellant outraged her modesty at the point of knife while she was on her way to school, no name of the school has been disclosed. And Malad, then the court goes ahead. Paragraph 10 onwards, Malad may see. This is what the law which has been laid down. The appellant belonged to scheduled tribe while prosecutors belonged to Christian community. They profess different religions, beliefs, and traditional society. They both resided in same village and were known to each other. Nature and manner of allegations coupled with letters exchanged marked as exhibit make it apparent that their love for each other grew and matured over a sufficient period of time. यहाँ Malad 1.5 साल relationship रहा. Then Malad we see paragraph 13 onwards. The entire law Malad. The question for our consideration is whether prosecutor consented to physical relationship under any misconception of fact with regard to promise of marriage by the applicant, or was her consent based on a fraudulent misrepresentation of marriage, which the applicant never intended to keep since the very inception of the relationship? If we reach the conclusion that he intentionally made a fraudulent misrepresentation from very inception, and the prosecutor gave her consent or misconsent,